Did you know that figs have been a symbol of health and sustenance for centuries and were even a staple for ancient civilizations? These sweet, nutrient-packed fruits might just be the key to transforming your vegan journey. Welcome back to Hello Vegan Eats. Today, we're diving into the world of figs and exploring why they could be a game-changer for the vegan community. From their impressive nutritional profile to their versatility in recipes, figs have the potential to revolutionize how we approach plant-based eating. Let's get into it. Being vegan can sometimes feel like a balancing act. While there are many plant-based options available today, finding ingredients that are both satisfying and packed with essential nutrients can still be a challenge. Vegans often struggle with replacing certain textures, flavors, or nutrients found in animal-based products. How do you maintain variety and excitement in your meals while ensuring you're getting everything your body needs? This is where figs come in. Figs aren't just sweet and delicious, they're a nutritional powerhouse. They're rich in fiber, which supports digestion, and loaded with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which help maintain strong bones and a healthy heart. What makes figs even more special is their natural sweetness and chewy texture, making them an excellent replacement for ingredients like honey, gelatin, or even eggs in certain recipes. You can use figs to create energy bars, blend them into smoothies for natural sweetness, or even bake them into desserts like vegan fig tarts. They're also perfect for savory dishes, adding a touch of sweetness to salads or plant-based cheese boards. I remember hearing about a chef who transformed her entire vegan menu by incorporating figs. She used them in everything from sauces to desserts, and the feedback was incredible. One standout dish was her fig and walnut pate, a creamy, flavorful spread that mimicked the richness of traditional pate. It became a customer favorite, and people were amazed that something so simple could replace animal-based ingredients while offering even more flavor and nutrition. This is the magic of figs. They're not just an ingredient, they're a solution. To wrap things up, figs are more than just a tasty fruit, they're a versatile, nutrient-packed ingredient that can elevate your vegan meals. From sweet to savory, they offer endless possibilities for creating satisfying and nutritious dishes. Whether you're looking to replace animal-based ingredients or simply add variety to your diet, figs deserve a spot in your pantry. Now it's your turn. Have you used figs in your vegan recipes before? If so, what's your favorite way to enjoy them? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on creative vegan recipes that will keep your meals exciting and nutritious. See you next time.